how to verify your phone number on Pi Network. So to start, the first thing that we need to do is to open our account. And then in here, once you're on your account, on top you will see these three bars. What we need to do is to tap on this one. And then after that, go at the bottom and then tap on this profile option. In here, we'll have to scroll down and then look for this option, account verification. Under that, you will see this option, phone number, and then beside that, you will see the option verify. Simply tap on this one. So in here, you will be given two options to process verifying your phone number. First one is receive a verification code, and then the second one, send a code to our phone verification service in USA. Keep in mind that these two options is only applicable if you are in US or Canada. If you are from other state or country, what you need to do is to tap on this manual instructions. After that, a pop-up menu will appear here, and then what you need to do is to follow the instructions here. And then in here, I'm just gonna tap on this, I have sent the text. And then once you do that, the next thing that you need to do is to follow the remaining steps to completely verify your phone number. Unfortunately, I cannot do that since I'm not from USA or Canada, but if you're from other state or country, you're supposed to see the following steps after you receive the code. So that's how easy you can verify your phone number on Pi Network. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.